This is Daddy Fixed the Vacuum Cleaner by Robert Scotellaro. And it's a wonderful book, and I invite you now just to sit down. If you happen to have this book, I invite you to go find it and read along with me, but if not, then again, I encourage you just to sit down and to relax and join me as I offer you this short little funny read to honor the many fathers and father-like figures in our lives on this Father's Day. Happy Father's Day to all the fathers and father-like figures in our lives. Daddy Fixed the Vacuum Cleaner by Robert Scotellaro, illustrated by John Jones. Daddy fixed the vacuum cleaner, and now it works just fine. It sucks up flowers from the yard and laundry from the line. Before, it hardly drew at all, but now it's got great reach. It picks up things from down the hall and fuzz right off a peach. The cat has joined the dusty bag, the small hands from our clocks. The baby's diaper flew in there, the stitching from our socks. An egg, a cabbage from the fridge, an apple pie quite big. It drew in Grandma's dentures. And also Grandpa's wig. It sucked the patterns from our rugs, the newsprint from our news. It swallowed every light bulb up, plus laces from our shoes. It made my sister's dolly bald, her teddy disappeared, my auntie's false eyelashes fly, how rouge and lipstick smear. It drew out every penny saved inside my piggy bank, and sucked the sand and pirate ship right from my fish's tank. It unmade all our bedding, took pillow, spread, and sheet. It even stole the feathers from our little parakeet. It pulled the flowers from Mom's dress while hardly even trying. It opened all our dresser drawers and sent our clothes a-flying. It yanked the pipes right through the walls, the dog next door flew in, and then the neighbor's hamsters, and the neighbor's violin. Daddy fixed the vacuum cleaner. The thing would hardly suck, but maybe Dad should not have used the engine from his truck.